Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm sharing crocheting ideas every week. Today I will show you how to crochet this pet collar. Here are the materials we will be using. Firstly, we will find a white yarn and create a slip knot. Then we will work 40 chains. Here you can change the number depends on the size of your pet's neck. Now we have 40 chains. This will be the part along your pet's neck. You can change the number here, depends on the size of your pet's neck. Now we will work 3 more chains as the beginning of next row. For this row, from the current space, we will work 1 double crochet in each space. So by end of this row, we will have 40 double crochets plus the 3 chains in the beginning. Now we come to the last double crochet. We will chain 1 to secure the end and cut off the yarn. Now we will find a red yarn and work a slip knot. Then we will join the white part at the first space. Then we will work 3 chains. From the current space, we will work 1 double crochet in each space. So by end of this round, we will still have 40 double crochets plus the 3 chains in the beginning. Here we can cut off the right tail. Now we come to the last space, in which we will still work 1 double crochet. Then we will still chain 1 to secure the end, and then cut off the yarn. Now we will work the creamy lace. To do this, we need to change to white yarn and work a slip knot. Then we will join the main part in the first space. Firstly, we will work 2 chains, and then in the same space, we will work a full double crochet cluster stitch. For the cluster stitch, basically it's 4 unfinished double crochets. So we need to yarn over and pull through, and pull the yarn to a similar length as the 2 chains, and then yarn over and pull through again. Now we will repeat this 3 more times. Now we have 5 loops on the hook. We will pull through all the loops and chain 2. Then on the main body, we will skip 1 space and find the next space. Now join the main body using a slip stitch. Here is our first cream spot. Now we will repeat the process until the end. Now we come to the last 2 spaces on the main body. After finishing the last cream spot, we will join the last space on the main body using a slip stitch. Then we will chain 1 to secure the end and cut off the yarn. Now we will work the strips. To do this, we will find a red yarn and create a slip knot. Firstly, we will work a bow. To do this, we will work 3 chains. Then in the first chain, we will work a 3 double crochet cluster stitch. To work this cluster stitch, we will still work 3 unfinished double crochets. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. We will pull through all the loops and chain 3. Now we will repeat the process to crochet another half of the bow. Basically, we will find the first chain and work a 3 double crochet cluster stitch. Now we will pull through all the loops. Then we will join with the first half bow using a slip stitch. Then we will work chain stitches to the length you like. Here I'm working 35 chains. Now we have 35 chains. Now we will join the main body and chain along the white side. Here we come to the last space on the main body. We will still work chain stitch. Now we will work another 35 chains for the collar strip, and then work 3 chains for the bow. We have 35 plus 3 chains. Now we will find the third space from the hook and work a 3 double crocheted cluster stitch. This will be half of the bow in the end of the strip. Pull through all the loops and chain 3. Find the third space from the hook and work a 3 double crocheted cluster stitch again. And this will be another half of the bow. Now pull through all the loops and join the other half of the bow and then work a chain stitch. Finally, we will add all the tails and done.